Hey YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a 7.3 power stroke glow plug relay. If you haven't checked out my previous video on how to check to see if it's bad, check it out. I'm going to put the description up there. Hope this video helps, hope it fixes your problem. Be sure to stay tuned. I'll be posting more videos on quick fixes, maintenance, and performance upgrades I'm doing on this truck. Hope it helps. Enjoy. Okay, so we're on top of the engine, replacing the glow plug relay. The first step you guys want to do, take off the negative battery terminal on both sides. You always want to be safe when you're doing the work. You don't want to short anything out. Take off both battery terminals. For me, it was a 13mm nut. I just used a 13mm box wrench. Could use a socket. That's what I have lying around. Then, once all the power's off, you can double test just to make sure with your fluke meter. You're going to go back to your relay. The nuts on the left and right side are both 13mm, and then the nuts on the top and the bottom are both 10mm. You can use a socket to get both of these off. I've already loosened both of them, so I'm just going to use a extension here. I'm going to continue taking them off. Once again, these are just a 10mm. Okay. You're going to go back to your 13mm, wherever that is. Okay, sorry. You're going to go back to your 13mm. Keep loosening these. Now you're going to make sure you don't lose any of these. That's no fun. I always keep them either on my hood or in the valley. You want to keep them all together. Make sure you don't mix anything up. Whoa. Take both wires off. Now, me personally, I'm probably going to remember, but just in case, I always take a picture of the wire layout before I take anything apart. It makes it a lot easier. Make sure you don't make any mistakes. This is on the left side. I always lay out my bolts in the direction that they go on. Make it easy so you can remember. There we go. Continue taking these off by hand. Okay, now that all your wires are off, you're going to want to use a 10mm deep socket to remove the nut on the right side and on the front towards the head of the motor. I already loosened them, so we're going to take them off. Now that you've removed your glow plug relay, you want to use some emery cloth to clean the ring terminals. It's very important to clean these. You don't want to have any resistance when you put them back on. You want to have all the contacts nice and clean. Now that you've cleaned up your ring terminals and put your new glow plug relay back in, you want to fasten the two 11mm bolts, 10mm bolts on the right in front of it and reconnect the wires. You want the orange wire to be towards the cab of the truck, the wire with the boot to be towards the left passenger side door of the truck, the other large terminal be towards the cab side of the truck, and the smaller remaining wire towards the front. Then we got the new glow plug relay from Federated Auto. It's a standard. They came with all new washers. We're going to put all the washers and nuts back on, and then we're going to see if it works. Okay, now that all your wires are connected, everything's snugged up tight, you've reconnected your negative battery terminals on both sides, snug them up nice and tight. You want to get back your fluke meter, put your ground on the battery, take your positive, put it on the left side. Fluke meter's reading 1264. Pull on the right, read 0. Turn her on. Reading 11 on the right side. You have a little bit of voltage drop, but that's just normal. Hope this video helped. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more. Thanks.